Hey guys, back for the day. Just a quick little intro because CapCut isn't working right now, so I'm not sure how good these videos are turning out currently, but I'm doing my best, and I'm frustrated today. And, I don't know if you'll see why in the video, and hopefully this video is put together okay. I need CapCut back online because that's what I used to make my videos, so let's just hope this is okay. I appreciate you guys watching. Alright guys, we're back here at the old Mr. Cool, running like a freight train on electric heat. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that down. I don't know why you put that stuff back up there. I'm going to make my hole bigger outside. I'm going to show you. Actually, let me just grab my hole saw. I'll show you. Alright guys, so there's my old hole there. It's got the old tubing and wires going through there. Shoot, you got coax and everything going through there. I'm not going to be able to drill that. Take the chance of hitting either this looks like a telephone wire and that looks like a coax. So I'm gonna have to try and feed this through here. I'll pull my thermostat wire and my vinyl tube out of here, killing me a little bit of room. See what we can do. Alright, let's yank these suckers out of here. I hate when they share these holes with something else. Now I can't drill it. I'm not gonna hit his cable here. I guess we can pull these two out. Probably do it from the outside. No, I don't want to do that. I'll try to sneak it through there. It's gonna be tight. Okay, I got these pulled out. Holy hell, how big these are. I think I'm just gonna make myself a new hole. You can seal that other one up. That's what we're gonna do. Look how big these are. 2 of those to go through there. Woo! Then we got these quick connect deals here. So you got a set of these that go on each end of your unit, air handler and your heat pump. Suction side, liquid side, suction side, liquid side. So yeah, this ain't my thing. First time doing one of these, well, this type anyway. Might be easier just to braze it. Okay guys, as big as those are, all I'm going to do is take my trusty Milwaukee keyhole saw, and I'm just going to cut myself a square right here, and I'm just going to drill him 2 new holes outside. Only way we're going to get this in there. I'm not even going to mess with that hole. Alright guys, I got my trusty spotter through there, so we'll put our 1 hole here, and then outside it'll be to the right there. Get a hole saw the size of each of those lines, which are monstrosities. Holy heck. Alright guys, got my holes out there. Let's unroll these and push them through. Alright guys, as monstrous as those are, I just went ahead and opened that thing way up to get these through there, along with my thermostat wire and tubing. I'm going to need that big hole. Alright, let's get them pulled. Okay, got them both pulled out here. I'll go grab those fittings. They're supposed to go on there, and my torque wrench, and a little bit of nylog. Try to do that. Okay guys, on these fittings, it wants them, hold on, where are we at here? It wants the smaller one at 37 foot-pounds, the larger one at 52, and then between the fitting and your line set, it wants them both at 33. So that's what we'll do. So remember that, 37, 52, and then 33. I'll remember that. Okay, so 52, put a little nylog on there, 52 foot-pounds there. Little nylog on this, 37. And then each of our lines connect at 33. Let's get them connected. Okay guys, they're connected. I think I did them right. Hope so. Let's go to the other side. Okay guys, electrician was here. I've got a lot done since I did my last video. Got my pump set, got all my tubing bundled with my lines. I went ahead and cut them, made them all nice. Flared them, got this all connected all nice. There's my thermostat wire from the heat pump. It's going to go into there. Electrician's got his job done. Got our 20 amp circuit into the unit. Got the proper breaker in there. So coming along, looking good. We get this wired, then I'll get wired outside, and I can probably get my my charge dumped and fire this thing up. Okay guys, I'm pulling on out of here. I didn't get much of the finish of this job. Hopefully you got the gist of it, but got her running. One thing I did screw up on, which is kind of silly on my part, is I didn't know that they had service valves, shut-off valves, you know, the ones that you use the Allen keys for, on the indoor unit. So I'm not a DIY Mr. Cool guy, so I didn't know that. So I couldn't understand why the thing kept kicking itself off right away. I thought I had an issue. And I'm coming around the corner into the garage, and the homeowner goes, "Hey, did you open up the valves on the inside?" And I'm like, "What? Gosh, damn DIY stuff." So it kind of made me look stupid also. It was making the unit act stupid. But I opened those up, reset the power. That's why I was thinking it needed to go into defrost, because it wasn't getting any flow. So as soon as I did that, the unit fired up fine. Took some temperatures on it. It's a Mr. Cool. Running just fine now. I'm out of here. Thank God. Tomorrow I'll be back out at my big remodel job to start cutting some more holes and figure out how we can get rid of this vibration on this heat pump. So I'll see you then. I'm a little frustrated today. It is what it is.